There's the captain. Captain Aurora.
That's the skipper over there.
Here comes the skipper.
I'm the captain. So you ran into
Here, you gotta
a hole
watch out.
yesterday. The boat. We ran into a hole. So now I'm the captain.
Yeah.
Here comes the skipper.
Alright. Oh, geez, Louise. Oh my goodness. No more snow. That's what everything said.
Hey, baby. There's one next to
Who?
that lady. She offered to move when I was pulling out.
This
And
one?
then, yeah. And
They're
then
Christians. They
and
had
then I
a
was
shirt
on-
that said Jesus on the back of it.
And then I was on the way walking back and he stopped. He said, hey, you wanna ride? I said, alright. But
Oh,
he asked me if I wanted to ride. but I
you
didn't
should
know
just did it.
what.
Should have told him the verse you learned this week. Hebrews 11:1. Thank you. And what is it?
Faith is confidence in things that we hope for and assurance in things we cannot see.
Hey.
Alright, Aurora, you want to idle us out? I gotta turn on the battery switch back there where we can get some
Oh,
tunes.
there's the boats. I would probably get us out of here
Towards
first.
the boats, you know, just nice and easy that way. I don't want to take
There's
just a second.
straighten it out just a little. Okay.
There we go.
That's good.
Oh, good.
Wow, Aurora's a great driver.
Thank you.
No, you have a driver's license.
She's like, I don't even have insurance. We went to Eggs Up Grill and I wanted to bring the camera, but I couldn't because it was dead.
We're going to Cracker Barrel tonight.
Yeah, or maybe tomorrow.
No, that's it tonight.
Oh, there's a pirate ship. Do you see it?
So we have two flags. They can't. Probably. Let's race them. Let's go see where they're going. I want to know where they go.
We want to follow that pirate ship.
Follow that pirate ship.
Yeah, we want to see where they're going. Oh, they're probably going to where the boats
Sayla,
are usually
are you
at.
smashing your cookies into the floor?
She is.
Eat it, or I'm gonna throw it out for the fish.
It's already going everywhere. Sorry, I gotta wash the boats.
Sayla, eat your cookie.
Look, you can see the sandbar right there completely. See it? Probably gonna hit it actually.
Cool. Watch your depth finder. 9 feet. It's
Yeah.
blinking.
It's blinking. It don't know what it's doing.
You need to trim up.
Let's just go follow the pirates at that. Go left.
They're gonna come out here, aren't they?
Yep.
Oh, here they come.
No, I think they're going to Goats Island. Remember? Goats Island?
Yeah, but I think they passed it.
Look at that boat up on the shore over there.
Oh.
Oh.
Are you? Oh, she shoved the entire cookie in her mouth.
Wait, Dad, slow down.
I am.
Yeah, they're gonna like that.
If we go a little closer.
The thing must have.
Oh, there's the this bag. Cole had to have it. What are you doing? I'm trying.
Move both of them. Give me that thing. You need to be on these videos, remember?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just say let's fix it. I don't think she wants that.
She moved both her hands. Get on the lily pad of the road.
Oh yeah. I have to walk around the other side.
Or I can carry you, whatever.
I can pull it closer, Mom. If you want me to.
That is crazy.
No, it feels good.
Mom? Just get on.
It's like 86 degrees. This is warmer than any of them so far. Huh? It stays like above water. That's really as deep as it gets, how you see it on the road. Even when I get on it.
Come on, Mom. Just, do you know how deep it is? It's not
I'm sitting
very
on my
deep.
knees.
And I can get off. And then watch me. There's me standing.
Here, right? Take this underwater and go.
Wait, I'm gonna get that off. And then. This is better. And you're at the shore. All the way. Mom, there's a ring.
You like this float? You like this float now, huh? Yeah?
Look at me.
There you go, kick, kick. Here comes some waves for Say-Say.
Uh-oh.
This thing's perfect. You know, it keeps her right out of the water, keeps her face out. I like this. I'm glad we did. There you go, Say-Say.
Uh-oh.
Whoa! Good job. You like that?
What? What?
There's a little hook on the front. You can hold it by the. You see what I'm saying? Don't take her too far in, because that's where they'll break.
Water about to go in her eye. Hurt her.
Okay.
Oh, there's nothing we can do. Like, our hands are wet.
Chris. Look at her. She's kicking and swimming. What, this one, alligator? Good job. Look, there's a stick. Right. Tunnel. It's cooler under here, huh? It's cool under here, huh? Yeah.
Whoa! Oh, it's just
Don't worry about the seaweed. Don't let it scare you.
I'm coming over here with you guys.
Come on in. It's cooler under here.
Yeah,
The
definitely.
stone on top of my head is hurting my head though.
I was like, are they making a tent without me?
What's the password?
Aurora and Sayla and Murrells.
What'd you say?
Free Girls Club.
What is it? Oh.
Oh, you know the rhyme I made up?
What?
I forgot it, but I know one part of it.
What?
The sand and the sea.
Yeah.
That's a part of it.
Here,
I made up.
walk up to Mom with this because she wants
Okay.
to show you seaweed.
There you go.
I just wanted to show how cute that is.
What? My seaweed that I found?
Yeah.
No, I found more over there.
Oh my.
Oh my gosh! No,
Whoa.
I'll go get my other seaweed.
We're in Murrells, Inlet, South Carolina today.
Yeah, I got my other seaweed.
It's June 23rd,
All my other. Well, I tried. I'll
2025.
do my other.
We're just out on a Monday, on Cole's day off, and having a little boat day. We went out yesterday too, but we went on the Waccamaw River. And honestly, like, I don't like to go out on the Waccamaw River because, no, I do, I like it, but the
Here's all my
sand
seaweed.
seashore part of it is
From my
gross because
seaweed
it's
pile.
like muddy and
There you go.
not as nice as this, huh? They're just drifting.
What?
They're just drifting away. But I do like to ride the tube and everything on the Waccamaw River.
Look, that's where my seaweed is. There, take it.
And like, Cole, I can't reach it.
Hey,
You can.
she says next time you go out on the tube, she's going.
She's too little. Because the tube is so fun and everything, but I am always sore the next day just by holding herself
Like we did with
on.
Aurora when she was a baby.
Yeah.
I'll pull you through.
The room looks sparkly out here. She probably, Cole, I think she wants to come up here and crawl. And here comes some waves.
More waves, yeah. That's what she likes.
She likes the waves?
We just floated all the way down there.
Oh, we saw you.
I know, I'm saying. I was just holding on to her. Her little float keeps me floating.
Yeah. But the water temperature after you get used to it's pretty nice. The water temperature after you get used to it's pretty nice. Oh, you want to come up here? I told him. Come here, Say.
are the waves we'll go in. Here they come.
I can't find any shark's teeth. Ow! Oh my. Oh my goodness. Those waves are getting me. Hi, Say Say. Hi. Come on, Say Say.
Pull yourself to the tube or to the boat and throw that on the back. Pull yourself to the boat. Throw that on the back. Me and Aurora are going to go off the boat.
Hey, Say Say. What you doing? What is that? Bamboo? That's what it looks like. Sand? She's 13 months old. Is that sand? Starting to walk, taking a couple steps. Huh. We're trying to get her used to wearing shoes. Good job. Stand up, stand up. And she knows what certain things mean, like stand up, stand up, stand up. Stand up, Sayla. I know, it feels weird on your feet, huh? They're on the boat. You got? Thank you. She's into putting everything into her mouth too and trying to eat it. And I'm like, where's Dada? Where's Daddy? Where's Aurora? Whoa. What's causing all these waves are those big boats that fly through here. The jet skis don't cause these waves, it's the big boats. Woo! You having a good day? In South Carolina. Uh-oh. Cole, can... No, I don't.
You don't want to?
No, he wants to do a backflip off of the boat. Why does he want to do stuff like this? Tell him he better stop it. Oh my goodness. What is wrong with Dada?
Huh?
Why does he do crazy things? You need to watch her, Cole.
Come on. The water's full. One, two, three, go.
Why don't you come? Aurora. What are they doing? They're wild. Jumping off of the boat? I don't think I'll be doing that, huh? No, thank you. Soup. Oh, you clapping for them? What do you think about the sand on your legs? You like that or no? Want me to get it off? All gone. All gone. See, that's the sign language for all gone, and she's learning it. How cute. Obviously she can hear, but she's a baby and she can't talk yet, so we're trying to teach her little things like that. Huh. Yeah. Okay.
This is my new diet.
He's eating seaweed. What is he doing? He's crazy. And there goes our boat. I might have to go help. Our anchor off the front, or no, I'm sorry, off the back. The back rope is not good, the back anchor. It's just not holding. We're gonna have to get, why don't you just do 2 bear claws? Huh?
I was trying to be cute.
Well, there you go.
This is expensive too.
Well, return it. Return
I
it.
thought this would be easier, you know?
Yeah. But
Turns out it just makes more work.
maybe it's for a smaller boat.
It says 7,000 pounds, the boat's not even 5.
Okay.
Should be good. The
Well,
front one says 7,000 also, and it holds. I mean, the boat hasn't budged this direction, but this has to go in the ground at that angle, and it's supposed to hold, and it holds for a while until the waves, I guess, pull it, but I might have that anchor out too far, might be the other problem.
oh, it's like pulling hard.
Too much, maybe?
Then just do it here.
Huh?
Stick it right there where you're at.
Well, then that puts that way out there, and the roar's not gonna like jump off of it out there.
We don't have to jump off of it. I don't want her doing that anyway. What is she doing? Look. You gonna hold the seaweed?
Hold it better.
There's Sissy! What is Sissy doing? Here, hold it. Hold it.
Hi, Sissy.
She's like, excuse me, that's disgusting. Get it off of me.
Hey, did you get this from my pile?
Yay!
Oh, you want it back?
Water feels awesome. Doesn't it now that you got used to it?
Yeah, now that I'm used to it, I can feel my back and back of my arms burning. I didn't put any sunscreen, and I usually don't.
You're red on your arm a little bit.
Yeah, my
Yeah,
arms.
you can see it on your shoulders from here, but that was perfect yesterday.
My shoulders can get very crispy.
Yeah.
Have fun. Oh, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
You waving to Sissy? Say bye-bye.
And off I go.
I love that this GoPro is waterproof, so I don't have to worry about it. However, it doesn't zoom and just little things like that, but I wish it did. Do you know if there's other GoPros out there that zoom in?
No, none of them.
Oh, well, they need to fix that.
That I know of. I already bought the other one though.
I know. I'm just talking about the boat camera.
Oh, did you lose your seaweed out in the water? I got it back.
See a couple of crabs, but I think, yeah, it's gonna go right back in the hole. I wanna show it. See, this is what I'm saying. I need a zoom. Oh, did you see it running? Oh, I know it. Alright, I'm gonna try, but I know it's gonna run right into the hole. Here, watch it, baby, Cole. Come here, Sayla. Yeah, they just ran back in their little hole. see. Oh well. I'm trying to sit with my back towards the sun. Like that. Because I don't want to get. Don't eat that. See, she's in the eating anything and everything phase, and that can't be eaten. Where are you going? What are these two doing? These two crazy nuts. She's like, I don't know. She's always, ever since she could sit up, she's always sat on her knees like that. With her little feet back. It's so cute. Want me to get that sand off of you? Or you want it on you? No, for July 4th I want to have a picnic on the boat and pillows out, and I have the matching dresses and...
You got me a matching dress, wow!
He's nuts. He really is.
Hey Aurora, while you're up that close, grab...
What is this baby doing? What are you doing, baby? You're so silly. What in the world? Stand up. Uh-oh, she discovered a new trick. Uh-oh, be careful. What are these two doing? Oh my goodness. Good job, Sayla! Stand up, stand up, stand up. Walk and walk. Walk and walk. Yay! Walk and walk. Yay! Stand up. Stand up.
Aurora, come help me, come on.
Stand up, Say. Oh, she's waving at you. She was just waving to Aurora. Oh, look at that smile. Go, Sayla! Yay! You're walking! Good job! You're a walking girl! Wow! Oh my...
Yay! Oh, Mom, why would you do that?
I'm trying to get the sand out of her mouth.
I know, but
There!
oh, hi! I gotta go help Daddy.
I'm talking to the camera. And Sayla's getting a little snack. She always works up an appetite after crawling on the beach and walking.
We got any more?
I brought that packet and then I brought her raspberries, a whole container. They're in the cooler. I almost brought 2 packets and I was like, nah, I don't need that many. She's been eating a lot more lately, so.
She's waving.
Hi! Aurora, your arms feel better with that shirt on?
What?
Your arms feel better with that shirt on?
Yeah.
The swim shirt?
Where's the cat? You got it, man.
It's a really nice day. So pretty out here on the inlet. So blessed. Thank you, Jesus.
Mom.
Yeah?
Her.
Oh, is that the
Dad
tree?
wants me to give this to you.
Okay. Where are we at? We're in Murrells Inlet, but like, where is this?
This is like going back towards, I don't know, Murrells Inlet? Garden City? I guess.
You want to show the house?
Sleeping Beauty.
It's a really pretty view out there. Wow, look at that bird. That's a big one.
Where?
Right there, that herring.
Oh yeah.
It's kind of camouflaged.
That here somewhere.
I think that's good.
No clue. It's too tuned up.
His tail was like that big.
Nothing left of it but the tail, pretty much.
What's